Hello everyone, I am from EME Technologies. Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hi everyone. So we are going to discuss the project of embedded system here. First of all, we will use the software keel. With the help of the keel software, we will write down the code, then create the hex file. Then with the help of burner, we will write that hex file into our microcontroller. So here we will use the software Proteus as a virtual environment to run our hardware in the virtual environment. So first of all, we will open the software key. So close the previously opened projects, close the project, then new microvision project. Alright, our working directory is basically embedded. Then we have a folder blinking of LED. We have the project name is blinking of LED. So we will just type the name of the project, that is blink. Alright, having the extension microvision projects UVPROG. It will take it by default. Save it. Then it will ask you the controller. Write down 8089C51. It is basically the Atmel microcontroller. C represents the complementary CMOS. 80 represents the Atmel. Alright, then click OK. Yeah, yes. Now the file is added to your target. Now the second step is to write down the code. We will write it in embedded C language. Even we can write it in assembly language, but embedded C language is easy compared to the assembly language. That's why we are writing it in embedded C. Alright, so suppose this is the example of blinking of LED. It is divided into three portions. First portion is to add the header file. It will add all the functionality that is possible with this microcontroller. Alright, so hash include reg52.h. The second portion is basically the defining the pins with the variables. Here we are using the SAT bit LED. It will use the LED as a symbol for the pin number 0 of port 2. Then we have a delay function void delay. We have a main function. In main function we will discuss the operation of our controller. Here we will just on and off our LED for infinite times. That's why we are using the while loop. Alright, so first of all we will give power to the LED. Alright, then we will call a delay function. Then again we will give power to the LED. It may be ground or VCC, whatever it is. Then again we are calling the delay function. Then the loop is closed. In the delay function we are just giving the delay to the controller. Alright, after the completion of this program, we just save it with the extension .c. So blink.c. Alright, it will be in the same folder in which our listing and objects has been created. And save it. Then add this file to the target one. Alright, source coupon we are just adding. So blink.c is just alt and close it. Alright, then check the target again by clicking right click options for the target. Then check whether it will create the hex file or not. Just click it. Alright, and see the extension where it will create. Alright, it will create it in objects, folder with blinking of LED, and it will create it in objects. Okay, now just simulate it. Build target. So this target has been built. with zero error and zero warning. Now the hex file is also created. You can see it, okay, in objects, and this is our hex file. Now we will load this hex file into the microcontroller. Our next step is to design the project on the virtual environment with the help of the software Proteus. So just open the folder environment in which we have created a project blinking of LED. Just click on blinking project. It's about 118 Proteus software. So this is basically the Proteus environment in which we have used the microcontroller, and this is basically the oscillator power. We are using a crystal oscillator. It will give the oscillator frequency to the microcontroller. This is basically the reset circuit, and this is power supply. We are using the LED on port 2 pin number 0. Alright, so we can do it with the help of the place component by clicking the right click place components, and whatever you want to place you can easily place it with the help of this icons. So battery, whatever capacity, crystal oscillator, LED, whatever you want to use. Alright, just double click and it will be placed here. So after that we have to just double click on the microcontroller, then select the program file. It will automatically show the hex file of your project, then open it. Alright, then press OK. Now it has now it have added the project file, hex file. Now just click on the run. Alright, run button. It will glow the LED on off on off. So this example just shows you how we can just run the LED for a particular time, then off it. You can use it in the traffic light control or in the home automation or whatever you want to use it. You can use the LEDs on other pins. You can use it on whole board. So that depends up to you. So this is the process of blinking of LED. That's it.